I love the Canary Islands because I think it's a right place for the students. In main Spain you have loads of cold weather in winter. Here we have all year round spring weather. You can go every day of the year to the beach, every day. The weather is fantastic, the food is great, the music is great, the panoramas that you have here, you go see so many different scenarios that they're astonishing, either the sky, the ocean, the landscape. So I love it because it offers so much for the students and they can enjoy.